Welcome back, real estate enthusiasts. Today we have an intriguing story to share, one that serves as a cautionary tale about the downfall of a real estate empire. So grab your favorite beverage, get comfortable, and let's dive into this captivating narrative. Over the past few years, we have witnessed a surge of get-rich-quick videos on social media, luring the viewers with the promise of easy money through real estate investing. These videos often present a glamorous lifestyle and paint a real estate as a passive investment opportunity. However, as we will soon discover, reality can be far different from the enticing illusion. Our story revolves around an individual named Jay Gajavalli, an immigrant from India who had achieved success in the corporate IT world. Seeking an escape from the monotony of 9 to 5 grind, Jay stumbled upon a charismatic figure named Bradshaw on the internet. Sumro claimed that anyone could attain financial freedom through real estate deals, and Jay was captivated by his vision. Jay Gajavalli decided to join Sumro's elite membership programs and embarked on a journey to establish his own real estate empire. He formed a company called Appleway Investment Group and began a rising millions of dollars from eager investors who were enticed by promises of substantial returns and an escape from the traditional employment. Utilizing YouTube as his platform, Jay attracted even more investors, spreading his message of real estate wealth. His preferred strategy was syndication, raising the funds from multiple investors to acquire large apartment complexes in thriving Sunbelt cities such as Atlanta, Dallas, and Phoenix. Initially, Jay's empire appeared to be flourishing, but beneath the surface, cracks began to emerge in Jay Gajavalli's business ventures. Tenants residing in one of his Houston properties, Timber Ridge, started complaining about living conditions. The city's mayor even held a press conference to address the issue, shedding a light on Jay's neglect of the property. This triggered a series of events as tenants refused to pay rent, leading to the collapse of Jay's plan to raise rents and generate profits. As if this was not enough, the Federal Reserve raised the interest rates to the highest levels in areas, causing the housing market to cool down. Jay had financed his purchases with floating rate loans, and as the interest rate soared, his expenses skyrocketed while rental income stagnated. This financial strain pushed his business perilously close to the edge. In April, the unthinkable happened. 4 of Jay Gajavalli's properties, encompassing a total of 3,200 apartments, went into a foreclosure, including a Timber Ridge. This marked one of the largest apartment building foreclosures since the financial crisis. Many investors were caught off guard, feeling deceived and inadequately informed about the risks involved. Unfortunately, the limited legal protection surrounding this syndication deals made it incredibly challenging for them to seek recourse. News outlets reported on the unfortunate turn of events, highlighting the devastating impact on both Jay Gajavalli's investors and the residents of the affected properties. Fallout was far-reaching, with investors feeling the financial strain and residents left in a precarious housing situation. A group of investors, mostly first-generation Indian immigrants, filed a lawsuit accusing Appleway Investment and its related companies of fraud, theft, and breach of fiduciary duties. These individuals had entrusted their life savings, retirement funds, and even their children's college funds to Appleway's Investment, only to discover that their money had been misused and promised properties were never acquired. This cautionary tale serves as a stark reminder of the dangers of overinflated rental markets and unrealistic investment expectations. It underscores the importance of approaching a real estate investment with a realistic mindset and conducting thorough due diligence. Building a successful real estate portfolio requires a careful planning, market analysis, and adaptability to changing conditions. While real estate can be a profitable venture, it's crucial to acknowledge and understand the risks and challenges that come with it. We hope this has provided valuable insights and opened your eyes to the complexities of the real estate world. If you found this cautionary tale intriguing, thought-provoking, please give this video a like, subscribe to our channel for more captivating content. As always, we greatly appreciate your feedback. So please share your thoughts and experiences in the comment section below. Let's continue the conversation and support one another on our real estate journey. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, knowledge is power, and by learning from the mistakes of others, we can navigate the real estate landscape with a greater wisdom. Until next time, happy investing.